Hey everyone, in this tutorial we are going to explain different options and settings available in text editor. So without waiting any further, let's get started. Go to any notification and click on edit. On customization page, you will see a text editor option on the right side. Click on it and you will see all these options. These options vary based on the notification type. Sales notification covers most of the options, so we have selected the sales one. As you can see in sales notification, the first line consists of first name, last name, and country name. That is why in the text box, we have added these three dynamic text by default. You can edit this dynamic text from the options available. Simply click on the text box and you will see a dynamic value option. Click on it and you will see a drop down menu with the available dynamic text options. You can choose any of this. You can also change text, color, background color using these options. Similarly, in the second line, we have some fixed text plus dynamic text. You can edit it in a similar way by clicking on the text box and customizing it. That's all about text editing. Second option we have is hide time ago value. You can use this option when you want to show old sales as recent sales. Let's say a customer made a purchase 3 days ago and you want to show it as a recent purchase. Simply add the time duration here, that is 3 days in our case, and add text you want to show in this text box. By default, we have set it to recently, but you can change it to something like just now or right now. So what will happen now is all sales done in the last 3 days will be shown as recently. You can check the preview here. Here it is written 2 days, but using this hide time ago value option, recently text will be displayed here. This will be displayed in live site and not here in the preview section. Next up is fallback value for location. You can use this option when there is no location data available. If this option is turned on, location of visitor will be displayed in notification. And if you don't want to show visitor's location, you can add any default location like USA. You can also set it as somewhere. Similarly, we have fallback value for name. This is the value that will be visible when there is no value available in first name, last name, or username. By default, we have set it to someone. You can change it to anything you want. You can add multiple values like customer, buyer, happy users, etc. It will start showing randomly. We have few other options too, which are self-explainable, like capitalize each word, shorten first name, last name, username, and more. You can also translate notification text using this language translation option. You can set singular and plural word for time in your language using this option. Let's set the language to French. Now you can see that the text is changed to French. Those are all the options available in text editor. If you face any issues while setting this up, connect with us on a live chat or email us at support@wisernotify.com.